Hi, my name is Professor Indara Suarez, and I am the instructor of the Physics of Food and Cooking class, which we will be teaching this fall. The class is meant for non-science majors so that you can gain some appreciation of the science behind cooking while fulfilling your science requirements. We really look forward to having you this fall. We team up with the faculty from the MET College, Michael Leviton being one of them.
Let's start with this notion of the prototypical ideal steak.
It's not just about is this thing cooked or not, but how does different methods of cooking affect flavor, which is what food is all about.
Effectively, what I want to do is sear first, get that coloration to get it to 130. We give it a blast at 350 for just a few minutes, and then leave it at 150.
If you want the steak to caramelize and then evenly cook throughout, you really have to understand the concepts behind heat transfer, thermodynamics, taking anything that they encounter and try to analyze it through the lens of science.